Welcome everybody to the second episode of It's Time Talk Show. My name is Abdullah and I'm interviewing my friend Ahmed. Hi.
Hi.
So Ahmed, what is your favorite game?
Fortnite.
Okay, what's so special about Fortnite?
It's a survival game. Out of 100 people or gamers that are playing it, only one could survive by collecting skins, by leveling up, and collecting guns that are in chests laying around the world.
Wow,
And it's available on all consoles except Android consoles.
Wow. Okay, how much time do you spend playing Fortnite?
Maximum 5 hours.
Wow. Okay, when did you start playing Fortnite?
2 months ago.
Now we're gonna play Fortnite.
He's
gonna play because this is my first time. So, go. So, you're gonna let me in which place?
I am in Loot Lake right now.
Can you find a lot of guns in this place?
Depends. Depends if the map has a lot of weapons.
There's sometimes like they have like lots of weapons or all of the same.
I don't know, I never heard that question.
You just died. So it was a really nice game, and I liked Fortnite. It was my first time. So now we have some riddles down. So you gotta read. Okay. Now read it.
Riddles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the mistake? It says mistakes.
No.
There's no 10.
No.
The 8 is blurry.
Nope.
There's no 0.
No. There's 5 seconds left.
Double is.
Now the second one.
What has 8 legs, 8 eyes, and 8 hands? For humans?
No. Yeah, 5 seconds left.
I don't know. 8 pirates.
You win.
I always do.
Now we move to the second segment. The second segment will be you pick it, you get it. Don't use this. Do you win?
Yeah, I got the Egypt cards.
Why you win in this game and this game? Why? Can you lose, please?
For you? No.
I really have a fun day with him. So thank you, Ahmed.
You're welcome.
So
I enjoyed being with you.
thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and share.